Ivan.
Okay, good morning. Blue Light UK, how are you again? Good, very good, excellent. Oh yes, isa pa. Good, very good, excellent. Oh yes. Okay, so with this occasion, first and foremost, thanks be to God be the glory. Having these occasions, ngayon, welcome sir, Mr. Sanjay, together with your wife. Welcome also to Ms. Tats Cahuco, Attorney Calvin Chua, Ms. Jenny Santos, our National Sales Director, and Sector Head, Mr. Jolo Lopez. And other, welcome also branch managers, no? And sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga agents, we owe to you why we have this kind of celebration. So sabi nga, this is a renewal of strength, prosperity, no? Which the year of the horse showed to us, no? Our presence here signifies our strength, stability in this area, and catapult the strength, no, of Blue Light UK, no, being the number one in the Philippines, the life insurance industry. So congratulations po sa ating lahat and welcome. Maraming po salamat. Salamat po.